Yeah, so this is the AEG brand, which is
AEG,
fabulous.
yes, very
Yeah.
popular in Europe.
Yes.
I'm very familiar with it.
You know
yes.
this brand, yeah,
yes.
really well.
Yes,
in
big.
Italy.
Yeah, it is a big brand in Europe. It has a few really amazing features. The colour, as an example, they've got a matte finish in
It's
their
a matte
in their
glass.
It's glass, but it's
Yeah.
matte. It's quite unusual. It's very different. It kind of reminds me of an Audi. You know, if you look at when the
Yeah,
Audi
yes,
first came
yes,
out, it had
yes.
that same sort of
Yeah.
look, the same
But
finish.
being glass, nice and easy to clean, especially with grease.
Yeah, absolutely. They do offer you a 5-year warranty, which is actually quite unusual in brands. And I suppose more and more people are becoming aware of the fact that the warranty is a big issue.
It's a nice setup. Yeah, it's a great setup because I think you've got all the appliances there in the 900, but this is something that I think we're going to end up doing in our own design because of space, that I want to have the 2 ovens, but they're going to sit underneath a 900 cooktop. So you've got 1200 sitting under 9, but it sits really well. Can you see something?
Yes,
It's not,
yes.
it's not much over the side. I think it makes sense. And then you've got the benefits of 2 ovens instead of one big 900, which
Yeah.
for us, there might only be the 2 of us cooking from night to night, heating up one oven in 600 instead of one 900.
Exactly.
It's more economical.
Yeah, because if you look at the size of this oven, it's really big. The 900 oven, if you internally, it's a massive internal capacity.
Wow,
and
it's
for
got
2
very thin
people,
sides.
It has, and for 2 people, it's a large oven to heat up if it's
Yeah.
not
Well,
necessary.
you can
and
Yes.
see, look
Yeah.
at that. That sort of shows
Beautifully
that-
structured, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good looking.
Oh, it's a lovely product. It's well made. It's very well received in Australia. Been around for quite a while.
Yeah. No, I mean, we know AEG brand. Interesting, quite a European take with the range hood. It's very different. It's a real sculptural statement.
Very good also for tall people. They don't bump their head, so they can
Yeah.
actually
Yeah.
work nice and
Yes.
easily in front of a hood.
I don't
like
mind
that.
those tall people need to get out of my way sometimes. Our son's this big. I'm height challenged. But yeah, I get completely what you mean. But really strong exhaust.
Yes, it is. It works really well, and as you say, it's a piece. It's actually an eye-catching piece.
Yeah, it
in
is.
the
It's
kitchen
nice
as
to
well.
set off a kitchen design.
Yeah.
Really beautiful.
And then they brought out this beautiful cooktop. This is a brand new cooktop, and this is zone-free again, so you
Okay.
can put your saucepans anywhere. Right, up to 6 pots on that, and you can position it wherever you like. You can join them all.
Okay.
Um,
It's
so
really- and it's all push touch.
it's touch control. Yeah, they really do some beautiful products.
Yeah,
Yeah,
very-
they've
very
also
sleek.
introduced those with the downdraft, but
Downdraft.
this is their latest.
Are you doing much of the downdraft? It's something that I saw in Milan, like it's big in Europe. And as I spoke to them, the cost of doing it's a bit higher as an appliance, but you're not including a range hood. So
Exactly.
It's quite practical.
It's designed for various reasons. Obviously, if you're putting it in an island and you can't duct or you can't put the range
don't
hood
have
above.
anything above.
If you have a great view and you don't want to obscure your view.
Yes.
You know, and those sorts of applications.
Yes.
But also, some people just find that this is more of a talking point, having it on an island.
Yeah.
They can converse with the family if everyone's sitting
Yeah,
around
and then
the
everything
cooktop.
washes down in here to be able to clean and
Easy to clean.
Yeah, practical, really
Yep.
clever. Okay.
No, and again, AEG makes a very kind of different looking product. So they're quite unique in what they offer. If you look at the colour when the light's on it, as opposed to when the light's not, you know, it looks quite different. It kind of tones in very well.
Yeah.
But
Especially
no,
nice with darker cabinetry.
Absolutely, it works really well.